Let's look at the state of infrastructure in India specially. When I talk of the infrastructure in India, the first is the energy. Energy, you see, is the lifeline of human development. Whether it is homes or it is industries or factories or schools or colleges or hospitals, that is economic infrastructure or the social infrastructure, energy seems to be a very important or the pivot point of all round development. Then there are many kinds of infrastructures as we were talking of, but when I talk of energy, at that time the two main sources which come up of energy are the commercial and the non-commercial sources of energy. The commercial source of energy are the coal, petroleum, diesel and so on. When I talk of the non-commercial source of energy, they are the firewood and the animal waste. Now, looking at coal and petroleum and looking at firewood and animal waste, the next point will automatically come to your mind is that the commercial sources of energy are required for industrial and commercial growth, whereas the non-commercial are used mostly in domestic areas. This, since it is commercial, as the name is suggesting, it has a big price attached to it, whereas the non-commercial sources of energy have no recognized market as such. So, the first important infrastructure, that is energy in the country, can be divided into commercial and non-commercial sources of energy.